What is up, YouTube? Thank you for checking out another video here from Forex for Beginners. It's yours truly, Pablo Pips Effects. And in this video, we'll be looking at a signal XAUUSD that was sent out last Monday in our free signals group. If you don't know about our free Forex signals group, guys, it's like a hyper Forex signals group. We sent out just 20 signals alone last Monday. Like, damn, yeah, that much. So we're going crazy over there, guys. So you want to use this opportunity to just head over there right now, because we got like 2 weeks left of the free membership going on, and then starting February we'll be transitioning to paid membership. All right, so you guys still got a lot of time to catch those tips and make that profit. If you're wondering, the membership fee is only like $20, so it's no biggie. You'll be making more than that within a day, following our signals and our risk management strategy provided in our group. Also, if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Please, guys, don't miss out. Hit that notification bell to be on top of things and release awesome videos like these as usual, definitely. But jumping right into the video, guys, we'll be looking at XAUUSD. That signal was sent out on the 30-minute chart, and it was generated at price 1913.16. all right, so I went ahead and marked up that area, all right, already here indicated by our gold line. So that would be our entry point, somewhere around here. So it was a sell signal, and as you can see highlighted by my green marker right here, we see where as usual our signals are generated right after the breakout there. So we saw that breakout, and then it retested that level, and then it smashed and tapped right into our TP1 area there, our TP1 zone right there. And most of us would have secured profits, crazy profits at that area right there, and would have been trying to trail any profits going down, but the market picked it up and reversed. But that is expected on Mondays, guys. As you know, Mondays are trap days where the market tends to fling a lot of reversals at traders just to kind of shake them off the market before actually continuing their real trend, as indicated right here from this strong bullish move continuing upward. All right, so I mean, our signals are very profitable, guys, if you do know how to use them. Just make sure you're trailing your stop loss and always securing those profits. You're not trying to give the market back anything, all right? That is the idea, guys. All right, but that is basically our signal there for XAUUSD. I'm not trying to make these videos too long, just want to run through them real quick. Our next video and analysis will be let's see, so that was, we did GBP JPY in our last video. This is XAU. So go ahead and check out our previous analysis, guys. You'll be seeing that we've been really sending out our signals, and they've really been just hitting take profits. I mean, if they don't hit take profits 3 all the time, like, they definitely will more than likely hit TP1 and TP2. TP1 is almost 100% for sure. But as well, we provide the success rate of our take profit levels as well. So if you do have some fundamental analysis or knowledge of the markets already, just coupling that with our signals here is gold. All right, total gold. Like I said, this is all free for the next 2 weeks up to February, so you really want to grab these pips while you can with us. All right, all the links for that will be in the description. Make sure you check it out. So our next video, our signal that was sent out, these are just some of the profits. This is what we're raking in, and these are real small lot sizes, guys, just very small accounts. A lot of our members are using a lot more, or just bagging it so much more, it's crazy. But trying to find the signal that we're looking for. All right, so the next video is going to be on Euro AUD. That was a buy, so go ahead, stay tuned, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for the next video. Happy trading. I'm out.